Hi there, this is Scott with Hi-Lux Optics, back again for another century and counting. In today's episode, I'll be utilizing our new Rimfire Mounts, built to go into the 3/8 dovetail of the rear sight and the 11mm rail found on many rimfire rifles. I know there are quite a few models of Henry that make use of this, as well as Rossi and other older models as well. Today's rifle will be the Henry H001. This was the first rifle I saved up to buy as a kid, and, well, it's still kicking after all these years. These externally adjusting rings will change their adjustment value depending on the distance between the rear and the front rings. In this particular setup, they're mounted 7¼ inches apart. That will give you 2.5 MOA per hole number value on the line. Well, we're at a distance of 35 yards. This rifle is maybe about a 3 MOA rifle at this point. Let's see if we can't hit that bullseye.
Let's go for target 6 first, and let's see where I land. Okay, I have to check the spotter scope real quick. Alright, so I was aiming for target 5 in the bottom right corner, and I hit at the top center of the page. I need to go down and to the right. I'm thinking right about 4 inches, down about 6 inches. At 35 yards, each MOA of adjustment will only be worth 1/3 of an MOA. So I will need, let's say, each of these full numbers will be 0.8 MOA. I'm going to need about 5 to the right, then about, we'll call it 8 down, just see what happens. Rifle's grouping a little better than expected though. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. When adjusting this scope, the direction you move the rear is the direction that you move your impact. I just brought the rear of the scope down by turning clockwise. That should bring my impact down. To bring my impact to the right, I'm going to turn counterclockwise to allow the rear of the scope to go to the right. So, that's 1, I think I said 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to lock them in place with the locking nuts. Alright, we've made our adjustments. We put up a clean sheet. Let's see where we get. Going to go for target 4 in the bottom middle. Okay, those look pretty close to the bullseye. I'll follow up with another 3-shot group on target 5 to its right. Alright, let's check the spotter and see where we hit.
Well, looks like we got that bullseye after all. After the initial shooting, which was way too high and left, went ahead and dialed it down, and it actually took us straight to the bullseye. The first string of shots gave me exactly what I wanted. This rifle does group about 3 MOA, so having a spread of about 1 inch is exactly what you'd expect. If I fired a few more times over here, I might have hit the bullseye again. I'm probably going to bring it up about, 1/3 of an MOA, 1/2 of an MOA, and we'll go ahead and shoot a little bit more, have some fun, but boy, this did exactly what I wanted it to. This is my new favorite scope on my old favorite rifle. Catch y'all next time.